Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I will show 5 new features in After Effects 2023. Let's get started. So friends, in this version we can change Keyframe Colors. For example, let's go to Shape Layers and let's create a rectangle tool. Make like this. Click Selection tool. And let's create simple keyframe. Select the shape layer, press P, make new position keyframe, and go to here, move to right. Okay, and go to here. Let's move to left and go to here, move to right. Okay, so we have 4 keyframes, and let's select all keyframes. Right mouse, go to label, and you can change here keyframe colors. Let's select purple. Okay, very nice. And let's select the shape layer, hold shift press R, open rotation, go to first second, make rotation keyframe here, and go to here, change rotation like this, and go to here, change like this, and change here. Okay, so again select these rotation keyframes, right mouse, label, and let's select yellow. Okay, very good. We have so many text animations inside FX presets. Let's go to first text icon. Let's click here and write here motion. And click Selection tool. For move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl and let's double click this palm behind icon. And click Selection tool. Let's move to center. Then go to FX preset and open animated presets. Open here text, and there are so many text animations. Let's for example open organic and let's use bowling. Let's see. Okay, very good. Let's Ctrl Z and let's try other effects. Let's select this horsefly. Okay, funny. And ocean tide. Okay, very nice. So for motion animations, let's Ctrl Z and go to here, effect presets, search effect slide, and we can use for animation slide and pop in from animate in. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's select this text and let's Ctrl D, move to right. Change name motion design, click Selection tool and select this second text, move to right, and let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's move to center. Okay, very good. And let's Ctrl Z. Okay, so let's try this slider by character. Okay, not bad. Let's Ctrl Z. Select the slide in by line. Okay, that's good. So friends, right now I will show how to use force anchor point. Let's go to shape layers and create rectangle tool. And let's make shape layer like this. Click Selection tool. Let's change color to blue. Okay, so in this time, select the shape layer, go to FX presets, search Effect Force, and select this force anchor point. Let's use for this shape layer. And in this time, we can change anchor point. Let's open here, and we can change middle left and or middle right. Let's top center. Okay, let's see how to work it. Select this shape layer, press R. And change rotation 10, make rotation keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, change -5, go to again 10 keyframe, change to that 5, go to again 10 keyframe, -1 that 5, again go 10 keyframe, change 0. Select keyframes, let's make easy or F9, let's see. Okay, very nice. So select the shape layer, let's go to here, change top left, Let's see. Okay, let's move to here. Nice. And go to here, let's change top right. And let's try change bottom center. Okay, that's good. So friends, I want to show new matte system in After Effects 2023. For example, let's go to text and right here motion, click selection tool. Let's change font for bold. Let's use this and change font size. Okay, and let's move to anchor point center. Okay, so in this time let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid, and add the name background. Click OK, and let's change size. Okay, and move to behind. So in this time let's select this motion text and click this icon. Okay, right now I can see here matte. Let's select this motion and let's link to background. Okay, select this text. Let's press P and move to down. Okay, very nice. Let's make new passing keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. Let's move to up. Make keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, let's move to right and select keyframes. Go to graph editor, and for fix this graph, go to here and select this edit speed graph. And select these keyframes. Let's make for smooth. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Let's go to first second. Nice. So in this time let's delete keyframes and select this background, delete, and select this video animation, move to inside or compensation, and close sound, select this Santa. Let's link to matte motion. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Okay, that's good. Well, in this version, we can render our animation with H264 codec. Let's do it. Go to compensation and click Auto Render Queue. Open here. And we can see here format H.264 codec. And click format options. We can change here bitrates and close sound, channels RGB. Click OK and click here, select desktop, and let's click save, click render. Also we can render with media encoder, but I will use After Effects render. Let's click. Okay. Okay, let's go to desktop and open video. Okay, very nice. So friends, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.